Hello everyone, today's I'm discuss 5 healthy smoothie recipes for an energizing and satisfying breakfast. Smoothies have become a go-to for health-conscious eaters on the go, and we have to agree, they're ridiculously simple to make, packed with fruits and vegetables, and ready in seconds. However, not all healthy smoothie recipes are the same. Indeed, many store-bought smoothies are high in sugar and calories. Following the 5 healthy smoothie recipes for an energizing and satisfying breakfast. 1. Smoothie with creamy kale. This smoothie is from Prevention Smoothies and Juices department and is called Balanced Gut. Greek yogurt, loaded with protein and bacteria, is a natural gut health booster. Blend 1 cup of finely chopped kale. 1½ cups of frozen pineapple pieces. 1/2 cup of plain Greek yogurt. 1/2 cup of unsweetened almond milk. And 1 teaspoon of honey in a blender. Smoothie with creamy kale. And then smoothie with creamy kale is ready. Then. 2. Smoothie bowl with citrus pineapple. This smoothie bowl is an enjoyable way to change up your routine. It contains citrus fruits rich in vitamin C, heart-healthy cashews, and gut-healthy Greek yogurt. Blend 1/2 cup fat-free Greek yogurt. 1/2 cup frozen pineapple chunks. 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. 1/2 segmented navel orange. 1/2 segmented ruby grapefruit. Blend the ingredients until smooth, then divide between 2 bowls. Add additional orange and grapefruit, chia seeds, unsweetened coconut flakes, and chopped cashews to the top of the smoothie. Then. 3. Peach blueberry smoothie. Blueberries and peaches, this blend will make you feel like it's summer in the midst of winter. In addition, nutrient-rich kale provides your daily dosage of greens. A pinch of cinnamon is the ideal finishing touch. Add 1 cup of chilled almond or vanilla soy milk. 4 peach slices, about 1/2 cup. 1/4 cup of blueberries. 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Blend till creamy. 4. Smoothie with cranberries and bananas. The autumn berry shines in this filling, fiber-rich treat. The banana adds body and sweetness, while the almond milk keeps the calories low and the maple syrup adds a seasonal sweetness. 1 cup frozen cranberries. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk. 1 banana. 1 tablespoon maple syrup. 12 cup ice cubes. And blender puree until the mixture is frothy and smooth. 5. Smoothie with milk and honey. This blended juice combines celery with almond milk, cucumber, and grapes to create an appetizing beverage. Add 1½ cups unsweetened almond milk. 1 medium peeled and sliced Kirby cucumber. 1 cup seedless green grapes. 2 medium peeled and sliced celery stalks. 1 tablespoon honey. Serves 2 after blending until the mixture is smooth. For more details, click on the below link. Thank you for watching.